Blessed, RaStar Vision, Certz, you don't know. Right, we're playing with Little Yellow Man. Now we hit you up with the Volcano. Alright.
Yeah man, blessed be the King, Rastafari. Bless up all of the people that in London, you know what I mean? All over the world. New York, everywhere, Jamaica, you know see? Yeah man, anywhere there in the world, bless up all of the people there, you know what I mean?
What sort of sound are you dealing with?
Well, right now Volcano, I'm playing Volcano again.
Alright.
Right now Volcano was a song that was like a couple of years ago it used to play very often, but the owner for it died.
Scene.
Well, even before him died, no, I can tell you something. I leave that song before the owner died. And I was playing a lot of songs after Volcano. But this dance now, what come back up now, is like a rebirth of Volcano Sound, you know what I mean? So the promoter will promote this dance now, say him going to do a Volcano with stereographs, that is Daddy Rice sound, a song which I used to play to. You know what I mean? So, well, it's like a rebirth, you know, maybe this thing is to bring back a little of the old time thing, as you'd have said.
Bring it back to the youth
for the youth them, some of the youth them were just born.
They're not ready.
Who are really I take place, because when them say I take place now, it's not that's what and that's what we used to deal with it.
Of course.
I tell you the truth.
Of course.
Yeah, because all kind of things get involved with the music. You have good things going and you have bad things going. It's like you would have got a church and when they take a sack, yes, the past and rape the little girl. The body now,
hypocritical.
Yeah, well, it's that me see certain, the way we put it, the way the music will lead the people, then it's something like that.
All right.
So we have to come back now and make the youth them know, say, no, it's not so.
Yeah, definitely.
Not so, you know what I mean?
Put in context.
Because we are the foundation of it, you know. So we can't just sit down and say, yeah, we're going to make it just go on. So we're going to make the youth them know the truth. Yeah, you know what I mean? So I'm a selector we used to play like from the sound when we start out with. The first sound I can give a history about the sound them where we used to play like. The first sound was IOS's.
Alright.
Come from Greenwich Farm.
Okay.
That's in Kingston, Jamaica. Because it's a Jamaican thing I tell you about. IOS's, they have a sound named Vice President. They have a next sound now named Soul Attorney.
Okay.
I changed the name to King Attorney. And from it changed the name to King Attorney, it changed the name again because some different man bite. And changed the name to Socialist Roots.
Alright, okay.
Well, we know where they play the sound now, which is me, Rankin Trevor, and Nicodemus. We changed back the name now from Socialist Roots to Papa Roots.
Alright.
We call it Papa Roots, you know? So,
I'm familiar,
yeah, so playing Papa Roots, we come down here now. After a while, we stop playing Papa Roots and go to King Jammy's.
Okay.
Trevor went away, and when he come back, we decide to go to Jammy's and play Jammy's sound. So we leave Papa Roots and start to play King Jammy's. That's from Waterhouse. Yeah, that Jammy's did never really own the sound, but it's his name was running the sound. So we just call it Jammy's. Alright, we leave Jammy's now and meet this man now with John Joe Laws, where used to come enough dance, come listen music when they play the do sound. So him say can build a sound and can call it Volcano. When him say Danny Jed, I want you to play this song for me, and I say alright, we're going to start out and build the song. And that's how we start out with Volcano.
Start from there?
Yeah, start from Mary Lane or Spanish Town Road. That's like Spanish Town Road, you know, Mary Lane, yeah.
That's good, man.
So that's how Volcano come about. Well, Volcano now, one thing him do, otherwise I'm building the sound and produce music. A lot of music he used to have all these artists.
Like what sort
Name them. The most artists he used to control them. Michael Prophet, Anthony Johnson, name them. You know, Josie Whale, Chaplin, Frankie Paul, Banton Levy, Ricky John. So when you come to Volcano show, it's like a stage show. He control all these artists, he used to produce them too, you know. So when you come to Volcano show, it's like a stage show. Even Greg Riser, name the artists there.
Oh, I'm gonna check them out.
They will come in there at that sound, you know. So it was like a nice thing. Sometimes after a while though, you find out say the artists them start to shift.
Okay.
I don't know what happened with him and them, but start to draw away.
Yeah.
Everybody start to draw away from
Alright, okay.
So even myself, I leave the sound too.
Alright, see.
And then go play. When I leave Volcano, I go play Studio 54, which is the song from Montego Bay. And then I leave Studio 54, and then I start play Steromars. Steromars from Clarendon, between Clarendon and Mandeville.
Right.
That is Kingdom own that song. When I leave that song now, I start to play a song named Addis in New York.
Addis?
Yeah.
Okay.
Me and a youth named Babyface.
Yeah.
You know? So, starting from Addis, playing Addis now, leaving all that's in New York now. So, we leave Jamaica with the New York now. You know what I mean? So, we start playing Addis now. Well, tell you something, I'm still playing Addis right now because I did leave it one at a time, but now I'm back with it
Now
again.
come back to it straight.
Yeah, because you have some youth now where we want to bring in other thing because Addis have to keep alive. So me and Babyface used to play it. Well, we get kind of old, but we bring in some younger youth now like A1 and Swaggy Dan. Yeah, and them are played now, you know.
Okay.
So right now I'm playing two songs now because this is the rebirth of Volcano, and I'm still with Addis, like with the younger people, so I'm with the young and the old. I don't want to be just with the old or with the young alone. I want to be everyone, the young and the old. So I'm playing two songs right now.
Yeah, man.
Which is Volcano and King Addis.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Only way, that's what makes sense, man.
Yeah.
Now you keep relevant, you keep current.
Yeah.
Let everybody know you. Because the people that already know you and love you, they can still hear you. The people that just met you, they're like, raw.
Yeah.
They feel you.
Yeah, man.
Definitely, man.
Yeah, they know because how we used to play sound in Jamaica back in the days. It's only you run right now with film sound stereograph doing the way how we used to do. So Jam must see want some help now. That's where Volcano coming now. But the thing you guys say, what if I say man start to do off them sound back in Jamaica right now when it pop them things. I can't name all that, but I know I can't call
Name a few.
like Gemini,
Yeah.
Scorpio, you know, but of them we have them song put on and now play. You have one named Inner City. Well, it never really a dub song, but you have like Emperor Faith. I meet him there at the end of the day.
Okay.
Emperor Faith is still alive. You get me?
Legend
So,
still alive.
Legend sound still around, but I don't know what happened. So it's like they need a push.
Yeah.
They start
And then
start to change
the momentum.
going there. So maybe that's all that's about, you know? Full joy and consciousness.
Positivity and
positivity. Because we don't want the music to straight too far. Because right now them out to put down reggae.
True.
And everybody right now in the world love reggae. And we don't want to reach a stage where them start to hate it. Because them are imitate it.
Very much.
We have reggaeton, all kind of things with them make up.
Reggae, ragga.
I want to own reggae, come like reggae is not our thing no more.
Yeah.
And it's our thing. So that is the thing. We have to hold the thing and claim it. And I like one time I said, well, make it go on. No. Our thing, we have to own it and know, say, yes, our thing. Because the only thing that give it faith, we say, yeah, black people, we make them recognize. Them do it now work for we do it now sports too. Yeah, because they put up black people like so they rise up with this music.
Of course, they do the same thing, every sort of thing that black people start off, they try to take it and make it for themselves.
Yeah, make it for themselves.
Of course.
And I'm not talking about white people, I'm not talking about a lot of people.
Yeah, not just
nation, you have Japanese, you have the German, you have the everybody.
People that wasn't there from the beginning.
Right.
That wasn't there.
I would know a lot of history, but we're not going to go there.
Yeah.
We're not going to go there, we don't leave that part.
Of course.
Okay.
Bless the King, RaStar Vision, okay, no?